Welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss about some tricks for division. I want to ask one question for you. Did you know how many tables? Maximum I think 20 tables. What about 3874 divided by 31 divided by 52 divided by 103 divided by 105? So you did not know the tables of these big numbers. I think this type of big divisions take a lot of time to solve general method. But after watching this shortcut method, you can solve this type of divisions within 3 or 4 seconds. Okay friends, now let's go to the concept. Friends, now take first number. Here 7874 will be divided by 31. Now in this shortcut method, the unit digit number separate to the remaining digits. So separate this unit digit number, right here 1. Now this total number divided by 3. Or you know the table of 3, that's way. How many 3s? 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Now drop 8. Drop 8 means 18. Now when the drop the number here, at that time multiply these two numbers. 2 into 1 means 2. Now this 2 came from 2 into 1. Subtract. Now 18 minus 2 means 16. Now how many 3s? 3 5s. 3 5s 15. Again here 1 minus. Again drop the number. Drop the number. Drop next number 7. So at the time of drop, now multiply again these two numbers. 5 into 1. 5 ones are 5. 5 into 1. Subtract. 17 minus 5 means 12. Again how many 3s are 12? 4 3s are 12. So we will get the remainder 0. Then the problem will be completed. Now what is the quotient? 254. 254. So friends, ఈ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ లో మన యూనిట్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్ ని సెపరేట్ చేయాలి. యూనిట్ డిజిట్ నెంబర్ ని సెపరేట్ గా రాసుకోండి. ఇంకా రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద నెంబర్స్ తో డివిజన్ చేయండి. ఇక రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద నెంబర్ ఏంటి? 3. సో 3 తో డివిజన్ చేయండి. 3 2s are 6. సో మైనస్ చేస్తే 1 వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ 8 ని డ్రాప్ చేస్తాం. మనం ఎప్పుడైతే డ్రాప్ చేస్తామో అప్పుడు మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ ఈ 2 ని 1 కి మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 2 1s are 2. అగైన్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడు సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేయాలి. ఆల్రెడీ నో డివిజన్ మీన్స్ రిపీటెడ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. Repeated subtraction means a division. That's why let's subtract cheyali. 18 minus 2 16. Again 3 5s are 15. 1 ఇంకా 7 డ్రాప్ చేసాం. 7 డ్రాప్ చేసాం కాబట్టి మళ్ళీ మనం ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాం? ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే కోషెంట్ గా రాసామో కోషెంట్ ఇంటూ 1 5 into 1 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం. గో 5 into 1 5. Again 17 minus 5 12. Again how many 3s? 4 3s are 12. రిమైండర్ 0. రిమైండర్ 0 వచ్చింది, సమ్ అయిపోయింది. ఇంకా 4 ఉంది కదా అని డౌట్ రావచ్చు. ఇంకా 4 తో మనకు సంబంధం లేదు. మనకి ఎప్పుడైతే 0 వస్తుందో అప్పుడు డివిజన్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినట్టే. ఫ్రెండ్స్, నౌ టేక్ సెకండ్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఫర్ బెటర్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్. ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ వన్ కంప్లీటెడ్. సెకండ్ వన్ మీన్స్ 79,664 will be divided by 52. Now the unit digits separate from the remaining digits. That means right here 2. Now divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 minus 2. Drop the 9. Drop the 9. At the time of drop the 9, the multiply unit digit number with the quotient. 2 ones are 2. Now minus 2 ones are 1 into 2. 1 into 2 means 2. 29 minus 2 means 27. How many 5s? 5 5s are 25. Again minus 2. Now drop 6. Drop 6. At the time of drop the number, the recent quotient multiplying with the unit digit number. 5 twos 10. That will be 16. So how many 5s? 5 threes 15. Again here 1. Now drop the 6 means 16. Again the 3 multiplying with 2 6 means 10. So here 3 into 2 6. How many 5s? 5 twos are 10. So that's why here last remainder 0. Then our problem is completed. So here what is the quotient? 1532 is the quotient. Therefore 79,664 divided by 52 will be 1532. Friends, now observe one more example. So 25,235 will be divided by 103. Now separate only unit digit number means 3. Write here 3. Now divided by the given number 10. So 10, how many tens? 2 tens are 20. Minus 5. Drop 2. Drop 2 means 52. At the time of dropping the number, we should multiply the recent quotient with the unit digit number. 2 3s 6. So that's why here 46. So how to get the 6? 2 into 3. Now how many tens? 4 tens are 40. Minus means 6. Again drop the number 3. At the time of dropping the number, multiply the recent quotient with unit digit number. 4 3s 12. 4 into 3 12. That's why minus 51. How many tens? 5 tens. 5 tens are 50. Again 1. Drop the last number. Drop the last number means 5. At the time of dropping the number, multiply 5 into 3. 5 threes are 15. 5 into 3 15. That's the remainder will be 0. So 25,235 divided by 103. The quotient will be 245. That is the answer. Friends, now observe one more example. Here 4,725 will be divided by 105. Now the unit digits separate with the remaining digits. So here 5. How many tens? 4 tens 40. You know very well to 10 table. That's why 4 tens are 40. 7. Again drop the second digit. Again drop the next digit 2. At the time of dropping the number, multiply the recent quotient with the unit digit number. 4 5s 20. Now it is 52. How many tens? 5 tens are 50. Now drop the number. So minus means here 2. So drop the next number will be 5. So at the time of dropping the number, multiply with the recent quotient and unit digit number. So 5 5s are 25. So our answer will be 45. So here what is the quotient? 45 will be quotient. Okay friends, ఈ 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ని మీరు మన షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్ లో సాల్వ్ చేసి మీకు ఆన్సర్ ఎంత వచ్చిందో కామెంట్ బాక్స్ లో కామెంట్ చేయండి. I think this video is very useful to everyone for calculating the problems and saving the time. Okay friends, really if you like this video, please like it and share to your friends and family members. Friends, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon. Then only we will getting the notifications once upload the videos. Okay friends, thank you.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.